talk about the difference between what notes are called and the rhythm syllable, the sound we use to count that rhythm. What does this have to do with this picture, you may ask? Well, let's talk about that. This is a moo. No, it's not, right? This is a cow, and it says moo. There's a difference between the name of the animal and the sound that it makes. So this, in the video we did last week where we were counting some rhythms, we saw one of these and we said, do. If you had a different music teacher last year, you maybe said ta instead. But that's not what it's called. This is a quarter note. Its official name is a quarter note, but its rhythm syllable is do. Or maybe its rhythm syllable is ta. It gets one beat. That's how long the sound lasts when we see a quarter note. A quarter note says do, or it could say ta, and it gets one beat. This is a do day. Or if you had a different teacher, maybe it was ta-di, or maybe it was ti-ti. Rhythm syllables can be a lot of different things because they're really just a tool to help us count. So of course, it's not really a do day or a ta-di or a ti-ti, right? This is a pair of eighth notes. It says do day. The eighth notes say the rhythm syllable, and it helps us to count them. Two eighth notes put together in a pair like this take up one beat. What's this? Some of you might call it a shh, but that's not what it really is, right? This is a quarter rest, and it says nothing. A rest means there's no sound, but sometimes we might say rest, or we might say shh to remind us that it's there. Again, those are tools to help us count it. It still gets one beat. Even though there's no sound, it still takes up time. It takes up one beat. There we go. So there's a difference between what a note is officially called, the rhythm syllables that we use to help us say it, and the amount of time, how many beats it gets. I hope that will help a little bit as we keep practicing how to say rhythms.